Closed captioning is provided as a public service of Newswatch 12.
Now, Storm Tracker 12 weather with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
And here's a look at what we can expect ahead for us today. It's going to be feeling cool for us. We only have a high of 60 into Medford, Klamath Falls 53. As we're into Wairika, Mount Shasta, we have a high of 57. We'll be into the 50s for Brookings as well. So much cooler for us as compared to last week. We were in the 80s just for us on Friday. So a big cool down we had, but we'll expect to see showers continue throughout the day. It'll be a bit breezier into those higher elevations over east side. We see some light breezes areas elsewhere into the afternoon. Definitely not as windy as what we were dealing with yesterday, but out on Stormcast, we'll continue to see these showers for us throughout the day today, and then we'll see them wane out a little bit as we're working overnight tonight, more spotty to isolated showers. And then Tuesday is really when we begin to see these showers wrap up, but we still have those chances for them along the Cascades and areas over east side, especially into Lake County for us. Or even tomorrow, we can see the potential for an isolated storm to develop. And then we'll see a bit more cloud coverage into our Wednesday. We'll warm up a little bit, but overall, we'll see drier conditions by the time we're into the end of this week. But for today, we are expecting the general thunderstorm risk across the region for us. What this means is that we have the potential to see an isolated thunderstorm. It isn't going to be severe for us. We could see a stronger one develop. We'll be tracking the potential for those very strong wind gusts with these storms, lightning, of course, and we could see some heavy downpours in those areas. So do make sure if you hear those rumbles of thunders, you are heading inside because any thunderstorm is dangerous. Now, checking in the next few days, we'll see those temperatures begin to climb up. We'll be into the upper 60s by the time we're in Wednesday, back into the 70s in the Rogue Valley by your Thursday. Over into the Klamath Basin tomorrow, we could see some showers possible wrapping up as we're moving through the day, but into Lake County is where we'll see the potential for a possible isolated thunderstorm. Now, checking in with how much rainfall we are expecting as we're moving today and a little bit into our Tuesday. Not much more, but it is a pretty significant amount for this time of year. On the lower end, anywhere from 1/10 of an inch to about 1/4, and on the higher end, we could see anywhere from about a 1/2 an inch to about 3/4 of an inch on that high end. And like I mentioned, we'll see those winds pick up a little bit into the afternoon areas over east side, settled tonight, but tomorrow is looking like it is going to be a breezier day for us across the whole region. And like I mentioned as well, we'll see showers wrap up into our Tuesday, and then we'll be ending out our week on the drier side. But let's take a look at your next 7 days, starting with the coast. A bit breezy over the next couple of days. Over into Northern California, we'll see the temperature climb into the 70s by the end of our week. Over into the Klamath Basin, that slight chance for showers tomorrow. And then as we're moving into the weekend across the region, we're tracking another system moving in, bringing back the chances for showers as we're starting off our weekend and bringing a little bit of gusty winds along with it. And finally, back over into the Rogue Valley, we'll see temperatures climb slowly through the week, ending out into the 70s and then tracking some more wet weather into the weekend.